Yesterday night we get here in Georgetown. It was kind of stressful for me because I was the one standing in the front with a flashlight in the darkness, trying to see if there is no anchor boat in front of us. Of course, Jacques was following the navionics, but everything was okay, except the our autopilot. They didn't want to start at the beginning of our passage. Otherwise, that was very nice time sailing from Snorkeling to here to Georgetown. Victoria Lake in Elizabeth Harbor. It's a very beautiful place, and we already went ashore to see how things work here. And there is a dock, and just for dinghies you can leave dinghy for free, and right on the dock there is drinking water provided by the store, which is right next to this place. And we met a very nice guy who on this dock who explained us how everything is made here. And he said that there is a lady living on a boat, certain channel at 9 p.m. every day. She gives the weather. She knows everything on this island. And if we need to buy a new anchor, we want to get ice cream or to do haircut, we can ask her. She will give you direction how to get there. And also when you arrive at this harbor, you can go, you have a certain time, and you can on VHF you can call and say, hey, my name is Lala, my boat name is JAEKA. At the same time when you're leaving the harbor, you can also at certain times say, hi, I stay here like a week and I'm heading this direction. So it's pretty much like a community here where people help each other.
Could you attach the boat, please?
Sure.
You think it's enough?
No, not gonna go.
But there is no knot yet.
Okay, we don't need knot. Look how much I put.
Yeah, but it's not good. Imagine we have to put another mooring line.
Like that is gonna be secure.
No, that's not the way. Please, let me show you. First, you have to do a complete lap. Then you cross. Then you cross and go under.
That's
Look.
it?
Yeah. Look, here it's parallel. That's very important. If you miss it, it's gonna look like that. That is not good at all. So, that way. That's it. Now you can do what you want here. You will never move. Plus you can add a second line or third line. The good thing with this knot, it can be done under tension. And it can be released under tension. When you release it, till you are here, nothing gonna move. And it's easy to keep. So when you arrive to the dock and the boat is still moving because there is wind, you do that. One lap, and you can adjust after easily, and at the end you do your knot.
Laundry day. Here in Georgetown, everything is very organized for boaters and cruisers like we are who stay at anchor. We anchored right in front of Victoria Lake, and this is very convenient for us to take a dinghy and take something on the land. And the way everything is organized here, that helps a lot. Everywhere we go, people are extremely helpful. They're willing to help us. They know where things are. The special places you can get those brochures for cruisers, and they indicate sites where snorkeling spots and interesting places in this area are. And in front of Georgetown we have Snorkeling Island, with there's pretty much nothing on it except one place. But on this map you can find the snorkeling places. They're very easy to find. They put a special buoy with a red stripe around the buoy. Like that, you know, you can come with a dinghy, you can take a buoy and leave your dinghy. Like that, you don't need to put an anchor. There is a blue hole here at Snorkeling Island. This is that's the first time we see things like that. We know there are many of them in the Bahamas, but later on we are going to go on Snorkeling Island. There are a few trails where we can see the nature and the view of this place and the Elizabeth Harbor from higher point. We got here in Georgetown like a week ago, and this is the first sunny days. We are planning to do snorkeling at Snorkeling Island. They have few nice spots. We're gonna try a few and we will see which one is the best. This is a really mystery cave because we know someone who came here and who really knows how to dive, and even him didn't want to go under the rock and inside the cave because he said it's way too dangerous. Inside there are many tunnels going different directions, and apparently there is no a map how to use those tunnels, and free diving in this case could be dangerous. So we didn't go inside, we just snorkel around, but we saw nice huge fish. The underwater image is very nice there, really mysterious.
A few people told us there is a good marina in this area. We are in Georgetown. I want to see by myself if it's really protected, because it looks on the map open to the ocean, but that's why we want to check by ourselves, and it's really well protected. It has floating docks. It looks almost new, modern installation with the big cleats. So definitively, if we need, we will come here to spend time for bad weather. So we are very happy to see that, because the only one we saw very nice was a chupke. Now it's far from where we are, maybe 200 miles, maybe more, something like that. And now we're gonna stay for the end of hurricane season. We're gonna stay around here, so it's very well to know we have this possibility. We got the phone number, so in case we're a bit far and we see something bad coming, we can make a reservation with a satellite phone. And plus it looks completely empty, so I think we have all chance to get a nice place for us.
We just got here from our long tour to marina, and it's already sunset, so with a lot of splashes we get cold, and we both were super wet, and Jacques at the end gave me his t-shirt, but it's completely wet. Guess what we are having for dinner? Yeah, conchs again. Here in the Bahamas I have to be creative about cooking, because conchs are the only food we can get out of the sea, so I would need to get a lot of recipes cooking them. Where we are about the electricity?
Battery start to be very happy. We stay 6 days without sun at all, and very dark and
Cloudy.
very dark, it was cloudy all the time. So we still have the problem with the relay. We order the parts, but we didn't get it. We are unable to charge house battery if we run engine. So that's the first time we stay so long without sun, and it was okay. It was limit. We go to 12 volts, means about 50% of the battery, means limit. And now it is a second sunny day. Yesterday was good, and today I think we're gonna reach at the end of the day, we're gonna be full charge, and I'm very happy by that, because we cannot even figure out to go sailing, because in this case we use electronic, like especially automatic pilot takes a lot of power. Now we go back on a normal running condition.
So we're happy.
Yeah, battery are happy, and me too, by the way.
I can use light everywhere at the night.
Yes, we can come back about to using light like in Versailles.
Versailles. This is a very quiet evening, like never before. Probably that's the first time I see it since we are on a boat. Not even the breeze. That's very gorgeous. And this kind of weather, it's one of many reasons why we are having this life. Thank you for following us along Bahamas. If you don't want to miss our next video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to leave a comment. We really like to communicate with you. A special thank you to all our patrons. We really appreciate your support. If you like our videos and would like to support us as well, you can do it on patreon.com and become our patron. See you next week!